Hey Jen. Well, this morning I'm having chicken breakfast burritos. And for my dairy, what I'm going to imagine I'm using dairy, I have used some crumbled Italian sausage. As you can see, this these are, well, they were two whole Italian roasted sausages that I cooked under the broiler, and I just used one side of one of those whole sausages, crumbled it up, and put it into my breakfast burritos. The rest of these, my husband will eat when he gets home. Alright, let me share everything else. Be right back. Good morning, Jenny. It is I, back again with another Greedy Lady healthy meal, healthy diet meals. Well, Jenny, I'm sharing with you today some rolled up, well, I use char, green leaf lettuce, and some of the crunchy iceberg is inside to make these delicious breakfast burritos. I have inside some roasted squash, roasted chicken breast that I had left over from yesterday, some crumbled Italian sausage that I used as my imaginary dairy for cheese, and I have some roasted delicious bell pepper in there. I was going to do some garlic, I forgot. And that's about what's in the inside. And I season them up with some lemon juice. Everything on here, my plate has lemon juice. Sorry, the light is still crazy and I'm probably coming out of focus. Boy, I'm going to get me another camera one day. Okay, I have garnished some radish, one boiled egg on top, and some lemon slices for flavor, extra lemon juice. And I have some sliced tomato. I have an avocado, half a slice of avocado, some roasted carrots for fries, and I have my blueberries and some baked, well, it's not baked, it's roasted apple slices for a little treat, little breakfast treat, like I'm eating oatmeal, which I can't have, so I just use an apple, make it look like I'm eating some oatmeal in my mind. And on the edge there are a couple of slices of some fresh cucumber. I forgot to put my little mint leaf on here. I'm going to have to start doing that. And give me a little mint flavor in here. Fresh mint from my balcony garden. It rained last night. Change the subject. It rained last night. My balcony plants had all kind of drinks last night, so I'm sure they're pretty drunk from the rain. So that takes care of that, and they'll probably sprout out some new growth, hopefully. And I am going to share that, and I'm going to do my propagating, as I mentioned in my last video in the comment section. Well, just sharing my little greedy lady breakfast, because you can see I have 6 of these breakfast burritos rolled up in char, which I knew char is the leaves from the turnips, and they're very healthy, full of nutritious vitamins. Hopefully a lot of these foods on my plate have lots of minerals and vitamins, because that's what I want in my system. My nails have started growing. I guess I'm growing everything. Hopefully just not my stomach. That's what I want to get rid of. Okay, I'm sharing too much. Let me stop and just say, I hope you enjoy this. Sisters, family, thank you guys for watching and all of your support. See you in a minute. You know, I'll have some pictures. I was going to say, I was planning on putting, I forgot to mention, y'all, I was planning on putting a couple of black beans in my breakfast burritos this morning, but they weren't quite ready, so that'll be for another meal. Alrighty. Thanks, guys. Bye.